We selected Aristotle Capital Management because we think it's a very focused organization. So what I mean by that is that basically it has one investment philosophy, one investment process and one investment team. And that creates a focus which is absolutely necessary to beat the market and the competition. The second reason why we selected Aristotle Capital Management is Howard Gleicher. Howard Gleicher is the portfolio manager of the fund. He is a very seasoned and experienced portfolio manager. The third reason is that the portfolio construction is somewhat unique. And what I mean by that is that it's basically a portfolio which is concentrated, but at the same time diversified. Another reason why we like Aristotle Capital Management is that it's a relatively small firm, and all the let's say members of the investment team are all equity shareholders in the firm, and this is important because their interests are aligned with those of our clients.
The Aristotle investment strategy is different from others, we believe, because as opposed to looking for individual stocks and trying to buy or sell, we try to understand individual businesses. What makes one company different from its peer? Why would one walk into one store instead of another? Why would one purchase one good or service from one company instead of their peers? This philosophy has four basic components. We look to uncover quality businesses. These are businesses that withstand the test of time. These are businesses that do well in times of adversity. These are businesses that are consistent and predictable. These are businesses that typically have high market shares in the businesses in which they compete. These are businesses which have high and growing operating margins. And these are businesses which we believe are not fully recognized by others. The second is we take a global approach, even though we're investing primarily in United States companies. The third is we're focused in what we do, and so we believe we have to really understand these companies and these businesses because we're only investing in approximately 40 at any given point in time. And finally, we take a long-term approach towards everything in the process. The implementation of the philosophy is something we call the Aristotle Smile Test. It has three components. The first is identifying quality businesses. The second is valuation, and the third is catalysts. Quality businesses we talked about as being those unique and differentiated companies that we feel will add value over longer periods of time. In terms of valuation, notice that we do not begin nor end the process with valuation. Valuation is a necessary but not sufficient component of what we do. Catalysts could be new products. Catalysts could be divested products. Catalysts could be divested businesses or new businesses that are acquired. Catalysts could be an industry consolidation that is ongoing. The Aristotle Smile Test has been implemented and honed over the past 20 years and changes over time, gradually but assuredly as market conditions warrant.